how I can show my factory ready for TARDIS space compression. Okay. Welcome in component storage warehouse. There is condensators, resistors, LEDs, switches, mechanical components. Locker room. Okay. Here is place where I materializing dreams. Soldering my desk. What's there? Is big computer. How about that? It's new Armachet. Armachet again. New Armachet inbox. Zapier project. Armachet. Envelopes ready for shipping. There is a output control service. This is big secret. It's new Armachet, but virtual reality. Are you ready for miracle? There is presentation room. Welcome. Try scan codes. QR. There is output storage warehouse. There is ready products for shipping. Photographing atelier. Armachet again. New Armachet. It's funny. 3D printer. What's this small thing? It's laser cutter. Dining room and cooking machine. No food. Armachet again. LoRa gateway. Exhausting system. Power supply. It's okay. And again, storage. New project. LED game. Bigger version. Funny. Maybe next time I show you more. Goodbye.